Welcome back to your boy Destination Trucker. Thanks for tuning in to another video. We are on our way right now to Walmart, and I got my Tim Hortons coffee to start, as you can see. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget, hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Alright, so I just come in at Walmart. I got a couple things. One thing I got was our bathroom door, the lock. The door handle broke. So I have to replace it with another one. I got one of those, plus the wife's passenger side wiper was going all crazy and broke, so I had to replace that too. So I got another wiper. And what else did I get? I forget now. Some Vim, gotta clean the tub. The tub looks a little brown from the water, right? So I gotta clean the tub. But we're on our way now to Canadian Tire. I gotta pick up a fuse. Remember I was saying the wife's car had a 5 amp fuse and it's supposed to be a 30 amp. I'm not sure if that's the problem or not, but I'm gonna go and get the fuse and see. Hopefully it does fix the problem. If not, then I'll go further into it. But as of right now, I think that would be the only thing. At first, I thought it might have been the wrong alternator and it just wasn't giving enough charge. But everything I read didn't indicate that. Mostly everything I read, it indicated like a bad connection or something. So I'm thinking the 5 amp fuse isn't powering it enough, right? So, I don't know. I could be wrong. If you know, you comment below and let me know, so I figure this out. Anyways, what else? Oh, and I'm gonna look over there and see if I can't get one of those basket seats that go on the back of the bike for the baby. We went last night to go get one of those carts that you pull behind, and here we find out they're only selling the bar for $90. I was like, what? Who the fuck wants to buy a bar for $90? Anyways, let's go to Canadian Tire and grab that stuff, and we'll go back to the house. Alright, so we just come out of Walmart and / Canadian Tire. I went into Canadian Tire, went into Walmart again. We got one of those carry bike things. It's upside down, but show you when I get back to the house. And we got him a little spike helmet for the baby, so we can carry him on the bikes when we go bike riding. So let's get back to the house. I did get the 30 amp fuses too for the car. We're gonna see if that works. Hopefully I got the right one. It'd suck if I got the wrong one, but they were only $5, so not that big of a deal. Anyways, we'll get back to the house. We'll get some stuff done, and then we'll hook up this bike and stuff to the bike. And we'll probably go for a bike ride today. Yeah! Alright folks, so I made it back home, and the first thing I did when I got back was put on this door handle. And I didn't record doing it because, folks, if you can't put a door handle on, I'm sorry, I can't really do a tech video of it, because every door handle could be different, right? But it works. That's the main thing, right? You know, it closes, it locks. Oh, at least I think it does. No, it does. There you have it. Right? It's on there. It works. Be able to get it washed without kids opening the door or peeking through the hole. So, anyways, with that there said, that's one thing down. Now we are going to tackle the wife's car. I got to put a wiper on, and we got to check that fuse, plug it in, see if it makes a difference or not. So let's go out there and do that. Alright folks, so real quick, we are going to replace this wiper. Most people take it easy. When I'm replacing the wiper, I just take that little clip out, you know, unless it's broken, then I bang it out. And then we get a new wiper, like this here, nice. I bought these ones, they were on sale, that's why I got them. So don't think I was spending my... They were definitely on sale or I wouldn't have bought them. Okay, so anyways, we'll take, hard to show you, but we'll take this little yellow plastic, slide that off, throw that on the ground, and this should be pretty simple. There's a little clip there. It's kind of hard to do this here with one hand, but there's a little clip there. You just pop that forward, take the wiper, and you stick it in there. Sorry, give me a second. Okay, see how I got the wiper? Okay, and we just pull that forward. Yep, there we go. And then put that little clip back over, and she's locked in place. There she goes. She got a brand new wiper. We don't have that other wiper going down the road. So that's that on. Now we're gonna work on the fuse. Okay. All right. So we're gonna get into this fuse box here, and get that off. Okay. I don't know if you can see, folks, but right here you see this 10 amp. It's supposed to be a 30 amp. Now I don't know if that's going to make a difference, but I got the 30 amps here. We're going to put a 30 amp there, and hopefully it changes and it'll work. Hopefully it fixes the problem is what I really want, right? Fix the problem. So let me get that fuse out, because I don't know where my thing is for taking fuses out. And then we'll put a new one in and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we got the fuse in. As you can see, 30 amp fuse is in. I heard a little ding. I don't know what it was, but let's go see if we can get this thing to work properly now. Hopefully, I'm hoping this will fix the problem, because I don't really know what else it could be. Oh, the seat, you know, I checked the wiring and stuff, and the wiring seemed all right, so let me shut that music off. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know if it fixed it or not. Nope. That was for hope anyways, hey. I don't know, man. Okay, so obviously my 30 amp fuse did not fix the problem. At least I don't think it did, right? I never had no check in or no code come up, so I don't know what the situation is. So the only thing I can figure now is that there can back up. So now it's on to the next step, right? Next step. Oh, while I'm in here, I might as well check the new wiper out too, just to make sure all working good. Oh yeah, look at that, cleaning the window. The inside needs to be done because it is filthy, but the outside is good. All right, so with that said, that did not fix the situation. So where do we go from there? Well, we know right now that changing that fuse did not help. So as you can see, I checked the wiring here. It looked all good, right? So, and this wiring should be fine, because this is what charges the system. This is what tells it's charging. So maybe what I gotta do is I gotta see what is going on. I don't know. I'm trying to look, folks, as I'm talking to you about it. Just trying to see, because this basically all goes into here. One big box goes into there. So the only thing I can figure is something right in this plug here, and I'll have to take them all apart, clean them all out, see if there's a corroded wire or something, because it is very annoying and it needs to be fixed. So Okay, so I'm gonna get this back on off camera because it is a pain. It was hard the last time I tried to put it back on. So give me a second. Alright, so I got the cover back on. I got the wiper on the car. I got the door upstairs done. I still got to do the VIN in my tub, but I'm not going to do that on camera because nobody wants to see that. If you do want to see me do the bike, that's going to be on the next video. I'm going to do that a separate video because people actually really want to see stuff like that. So that's like a tech video of how to install it. What's my review of it. So if you want to see that video, you'll see my next video. Just watch it. It'll be about that there. But I do, while I'm on the topic of everything right now, folks, I do want to point out, okay, my house here, right, has a fire hydrant right there. So that means that I cannot park there. Okay, so what I do is I park on the other side of the road, and basically, I was parking like there, right? But this guy in the blue truck and the one that lives in this place kind of blocks me in so I can't move, right? And now, he's actually not too bad now. He moved up some, but this guy here is giving me trouble now too, saying I prefer if you didn't park there. I just want to clear this to anybody out there that watches this video and has an issue with someone parking in front of their yard. You don't own the fucking road. Let's get it straight. You don't own the road. So anybody that's got a problem, they just need to waste time complaining about something else than someone parking in front of their house, right? You don't own the road. I don't care if you like it or you don't like it. If I see this house, and this house parked 10 feet apart from each other, but yet not enough for me to put my truck in there, I'm gonna park there, right? You know, it's called respect. In Alberta, you need to freaking find respect. With that said, folks, I'm sorry that I get angry, but stuff like that pisses me off because I'm from the East Coast where we were born on respect, right? But if you do what's wrong, there's consequences, right? You know, they say the old squeaky wheel gets the grease, you know, or karma's a bitch. That's right. It happens, right? Anyways, with that said, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it that thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.